Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to add and remove Google account on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on users and accounts. Now to add a Google account to your Oppo phone, just tap on add account. Then select Google. Now in this section, just enter your email address. After you enter your email address, then tap on next. Now in this section, just enter the password of your email address. After you enter the password of your email address, then tap on next. Then tap on continue and tap on I agree. Now as you can see, we have successfully added a Google account on our Oppo phone. Now if you want to remove the Google account from your Oppo phone, first of all, just go to settings, then tap on users and accounts. Then tap on Google, and from here just select the Google account which you want to remove. Then tap on the three dots over here and tap on remove account. Then select remove account, and by doing that you will remove the Google account from your Oppo phone. And this is how you can add and remove Google account on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.